I'm going.
So, this is my rifle. See, bolt action. I have a scope on it yet. Scope eventually. I'm gonna try to load it. Yeah, I gotta load it. I'm gonna give you time. At least potential. Ignore the stuff in the background. It's just my family. Don't know what brand the gun is exactly, but I know on the side, just didn't, the tip, or zoom in on that while I'm loading the clips, on the tip right here. As you can see, is taped on because they didn't come with a tip because it's over 500 FPS. Alright, stop it now. My space here. So I got two clips here. One was faulty. Trim it as fast, so now I can't make a real long video because I can't send it to anybody.
30 minutes and 14 seconds.
What?
30 minutes and 17 seconds.
I'll just have to edit out stupid crap later. So, in the process of loading my clips here, I'll unload each of them. Oh, well, I guess this is just where to go. See this. Keep playing. Alright. Still loading the clips here. As you can see. Almost done. Got one more BB. Then I'll,
Go shoot it?
yeah. Stop that, Taylor. Shouldn't be talking for the video, but alright. Alright, show you what I'm gonna do.
So you want me to bring the camera?